In this video, I'm going to show you a modification I did to the condensate drain line of my air handler to allow me to isolate and flush the fungus, moss, mildew, or whatever it is that grows in there and causes it to clog up from time to time. Welcome to my garage. This is our air handler for our air conditioner, and this is the condensate drain that goes through about 15 feet of my wall, and it pops out outside the garage on the side of the house. And every now and then this thing would back up. Some kind of a mold, mildew, cottony material that forms inside the line, and when that happens, the condensate will build up in here and I'll get a little flood in the garage. So I would have to periodically figure out how to flush this line out. Well, ultimately, I added these two fittings here. This is a ball valve and this is another ball valve here. And what I have done here is I've given myself the ability to isolate the drain line from the unit, and I've got a hose connection that goes through this ball valve right here, and I open that valve and I can turn the hose on and I can blow city water pressure through the line all the way out, and I can get all that crud out of there. So I do this every 6 months or so, and since I've been doing it, I have not had any further backups. And you'll actually build up a little bit of that stuff in this part of the line as well. So I'll actually open this up and just let it backflow just a little bit. Just let a little bit of water go back in there. It's just enough to clean that stuff out of the pipe, and it keeps the line draining. So let's just see how this works. Ball valve here is open. This is the normal path. It goes through this and then down and then out. And I have this sort of vent flush connection here isolated right now. So to do the flush, what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate the drain from the air handler, and I'm going to open up this valve here, and that'll let the hose water blow this line out all the way back in. Just turn on the water pressure there, and I'm going to come over here and just make sure it's coming out. Excuse my side yard, it's a mess. And yeah, look at all that nasty stuff that came out of the pipes right there. That's that white, this is the white stuff that I get inside my pipes. It has to be blown out from time to time. So I'll let it flow for about 30 or 40 seconds until that stuff stops coming out. Well, here it is on the inside. My hose connection has a little leak. I think I need a new gasket. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to back flush into the air handler. So I just very quickly open this just for 2 or 3 seconds and then close it back. So now I have flushed the line going all the way back to the air handler and all the way out to the here's the gross stuff that comes out. It looks kind of like jellyfish, but you can see that the trap is nice and clear now. So again, this is the normal way I have it set up. The drain comes out here, it goes through the open valve and drains down here, and this vent or flush connection is isolated. That quarter turn valve is in the isolated position right now. So anyway, I hope this was helpful to you, and I'm going to include some images of what the part looks like if you want to go buy one of these at the hardware store. This is PVC, I believe it's 1/2 inch, and I think these were just $2 or $3 a piece when I bought them, and they just glue together. Thanks for watching.